welcome to NDTV Auto. Today I am with Mahindra XUV3XO, which was earlier known as XUV300. The name has changed and the car has gone through a major makeover. You can see the front has changed completely. You get this, instead of the earlier grille, you get this piano black material up front with some chrome inserts given here and the Mahindra logo in the middle. Down below you will see a really wide bumper with big air intakes. Then on the side, do notice the new shape of the LED DRL, C-shape LED DRL, and this is the top variant and hence you get the LED projector type headlamps. Do notice this texture here around the headlamp and on the piano black material. You will notice this texture at various places around the vehicle. Now let me take you to the side where you get this dual color 17-inch alloys and it looks really nice. Dual color options available for you. The roof here is blacked out and on the roof rail, which is just for show, you will again notice the texture I was mentioning on the front. You will see the texture here as well. Now at the rear, the biggest change that has happened is in the way the tail lamp has been designed. It is a connected type tail lamp now and looks quite nice. However, I'm not very happy with the bumper area below. It's too much black and also looks like, again, the problem that XUV300 earlier had was it looked like a straight cut at the back, and that's what you get here as well. But definitely a much improved rear from earlier. Even the bumper has been given a little bit of design element. Again, you will see the texture here and a little bit of color change with this brushed metal type look here. One more very important change that has happened is in the boot space. Now you get a 364-liter boot space. You would remember earlier XUV300 had the smallest boot space in the segment, and now that has been improved upon 364-liter. Now the boot is a bit deep inside here, and that can be a bit of a challenge when you want to put stuff in and take stuff out, because you will have to lift everything to take it out. But you get a decent sized boot now. You can't have that complaint against 3XO. You also notice a speaker here, and we will talk about the speaker when I tell you more features of this car. You get only one C-type charging point here, but you do have a 12-volt charging point below. There's some space to maybe keep your phone while it's charging. AC vent, seat pocket, armrest with cup holder, 3 individual headrests, and the center passenger also gets 3-point seat belt. Now, let me take you to the front seat. But before I take you to the front seat, very important addition, and that is the panoramic sunroof. It's probably the largest in the segment. I have to say, I really like the way these interiors look. First of all, this black and this very light color makes the interior look very spacious. However, I must say, I really find that this color is too light for Indian environment and will get dirty very soon. But right now it's looking very nice. This is the topmost variant. Here you get the dashboard wrapped in this soft touch material. Makes the interior look quite plush with these exposed stitches. There is this piano black material, and I was mentioning that texture outside. You will see that texture here inside as well. This looks pixelated type of modern texture. It looks quite nice. Then at the bottom you will find this hard plastic, and it's light in color. Will definitely get dirty very soon. Now let's talk about all the gadgets and gizmos that you get in this car. So first of all, this 10.2-inch touchscreen. This touchscreen gets the same system that the XUV700 gets. In fact, the ADAS level 2 also that you get in this car is also the same that you get in XUV700. That means this compact SUV segment car is going to get all the features, many of the features, not all, but many of the features that you get in a much higher segment car. You get connected car tech, 7-speaker Harman Kardon system, a 10.2-inch digital driver display, dual zone AC, wireless charger, C-type charging point here, and a USB type A charging point here. You get 2 cup holders here, small space under the armrest, and one thing that I noticed and I really like are these door handles. They look very nice. They are good to hold and have been executed very well. You get 3 engine choices, petrol and diesel. Both the petrol are turbo petrol engines, but one of them is the direct injection one, and hence you get 130 HP from a 1.2 liter engine. The other option in petrol is the 110 HP 1.2 liter turbo petrol engine. You also get a 117 HP 1.5 liter diesel engine. But what's special is that you get a completely new 6-speed automatic gearbox. Here is the list of safety features that you get with 3XO. XUV 3XO has been launched at the starting price of 7.49 lakhs, and the top variant, the fully loaded one, will cost you around 15.49 lakhs. Now tell us, how did you like this car? How did you like Mahindra's latest baby in the market, the XUV 3XO? Do write us in the comment section.